Apple is rumored to have a secret research unit comprising hundreds of employees working on augmented reality and virtual reality, exploring ways the emerging technology could be used in future Apple products. AR VR hiring has ramped up and Apple has acquired multiple AR VR companies as it works in AR and VR spaces. According to the information, Apple is working on two AR projects that include an augmented reality headset set to be released in 2022, followed by the sleeker pair of augmented reality glasses coming in 2023. Many rumors have focused solely on the glasses, however leading to some confusion about Apple's plan. But we won't let you guys get confused. This is intern number 2, and welcome to the Extra Celestial Tech. We will go in depth of Apple's plan to launch new Apple AR glasses and how Apple is planning to achieve it step by step. Apple is working on a set of augmented reality glasses, which information leaker Jon Prosser has suggested. Apple will call the smart glasses the Apple Glasses. That name would be an unusual choice given the similarity to the name of Google Glasses, a product that existed long before Apple's work on augmented reality glasses came to the light. The glasses are set to look similar to regular glasses, with both lenses to feature display that can be interacted with using hand gestures. There will be an option to get the glasses with no prescription lenses at possible starting price of $499, with prescription lenses available at an additional cost. Apple is allegedly planning to use cutting-edge OLED microdisplays supplied by Sony for its rumored augmented reality glasses. Sony's OLED microdisplays features are ultra-fast response rate, ultra-high contrast, a wide color gamut, high luminance, low reflectance, and integrated drivers for a thin and light design. The glasses are set to feature an 0.5-inch display with the resolutions of 1280 x 960 pixels. Well-respected Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo expects the AR glasses to be marketed as an iPhone accessory and will primarily take a display role offloading computing, networking, and positioning to the iPhone. Offering the AR glasses as an iPhone accessory will allow Apple to keep them slim and lightweight. Prosser says that the glasses will look similar to Ray-Ban Wayfarers or the glasses that Tim Cook wears. Bloomberg has said the Apple glasses will run on ROS or Reality Operating System. ROS is said to be based on iOS, the operating system that runs on the iPhone. For the AR headset, Apple is developing a system on a package chip similar to what's inside the Apple Watch, though it will rely on the iPhone as mentioned above. Augmented reality is an exciting new era and one in which Apple, at least in hardware terms, wouldn't have much competition, at least in the present, with the mainstream and consumer fact. Tim Cook has sung the praises of AR tech, going so far as to say augmented reality use will become as common as eating 3 meals a day. Competition. Right now there are a number of augmented reality glasses already on the market from companies like Vuzix, Epson, and View. But many of them are reserved for enterprises like in big businesses or being used by developers or have been built for a rather niche purpose. There could also be mounting competition from other big tech giants. For example, in July, details were leaked about the patent which suggests Samsung might be working on its own pair of AR specs. Spotted by Patently Apple, the filling shows a fairly standard design for a pair of glasses with added smarts on board. What's more, according to the patent filed by Huawei at the World Intellectual Property Organization and spotted by Let's Go Digital, the company is experimenting with pair of AR glasses that are lightweight but only work when you insert your smartwatch into them. It's also not a surprise to hear that Facebook, which owns Oculus, has also been rumored to be working its own AR eyewear. According to a 2017 patent, Facebook's AR glasses could use a waveguide display to combine computer graphics with the real world. Essentially, an advanced method of giving the illusion of depth on specs right in front of your face. Although the troubled story of Google Glass may sound like a bit of a failure, at least when it comes to consumer traction, it actually taught tech companies a great deal about building AR, tech-enabled eyewear, and the challenges of bringing a whole new product category to the market. Whatever, I'm so excited to see what happens in future and how these companies figure out their ways to make AR. And so, is it really a goodbye to mobile phones and welcome to augmented reality? Subscribe and stay updated with us and know more about latest news like this by subscribing the channel below.